Hey guys, Allison here. I just did a quick video on how to quickly and easily prep your vegetables for the week. And now I just wanted to share with you how I am prepping our dinners for the week. So we're gonna have chicken fajitas, and this is a newer recipe for me. It's actually one that my mom sent me, so thanks Mom. And I'm excited to see how it turns out. I am taking a few cheats this time around. So it calls for, I'll show you the ingredients here. I've got some organic chicken breast. Here's one of my new favorite cheats is using frozen vegetables instead of fresh vegetables. Now, as much as I love fresh vegetables, these organic flash frozen ones they just make life way easier. So I got these pearl onions and bell peppers already ready to go. This garlic makes life really easy, so you don't have to mess around with peeling it. All you have to do is chop it. And let's see, there's also fajita mix, seasoning mix, and organic diced tomatoes. So all of this is just gonna go into the crock pot. I'm gonna layer it in there and then throw it on high for 3 hours, and we'll have dinner ready by the time Chris gets home from work. So let's get started. I think that's right. Okay, first things first, I am going to throw in some of my vegetables down on the bottom. So I'm going to do half of the onions and half of the peppers. So I've got half the onions in. Half of the peppers are going in. I mean, it's like almost not fair how easy it is. I feel a little bit bad and a little bit like I'm cheating, but not really. So eating healthy doesn't have to be hard, nor does it have to be expensive. Okay, next up I'm going to put my chicken breasts in there, and I'm just gonna put the breasts in whole, unless they're super thick, and then maybe I'll pound them out. But the nice thing about the crock pot is you don't have to be a whiz with meat, which I'm not. Chris is totally the meat guy. But the crock pot just makes life really easy, and it pretty much makes every piece of meat turn out really tender and juicy and flavorful. They wrapped it up real good. Yep, these are small enough pieces, I'm just going to throw them in. I did 1 pound of chicken breast for this recipe. I almost forgot one of the best ingredients is just a fresh lime. So I'm going to put in half of the fresh lime now, and half when I put in the rest of my vegetables. Okay, so let's see. Next up, I've got my vegetables in, I got my chicken in, I've got my lime in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my fajita mix in now too. Okay, done. The rest of the veggies go in on top. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze in my lime, the rest of my lime juice. Just 2 steps left. This is like the easiest recipe I think I've ever made in my life. I really like tomatoes, so I'm going to use this whole can. So I'm just going to dump the whole can of tomatoes in, chop up a clove of garlic, and call it good. So I'm going to go ahead and start cooking it now. Get a head start. So the nice thing about these packets is like they just come in, sorry, this lighting is not so great. The garlic packets just come in these little guys, so they're pre-portioned, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just chop one of these up, throw it in the pot, and I'm done with dinner for at least the next 3 or 4 days. So I'm pretty happy about that. And it's already looking so good. So I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Have a great day. Bye.